Chapter number 1, Solid State. Multiple choice question. Marks 1. The following types of the solid contain the molecule as constituent particle. Answer is molecular solid. Second, the following crystal system contain 4 Bravais lattices. So answer is orthorhombic, which contain simple or primitive, body centered, face centered, base centered Bravais lattices. Third, an octahedral void is surrounded by 6 spheres. Which of the following is an amorphous solid? Tar is amorphous, all others are crystalline. A paired cation anion vacancy is called Schottky defect. The unit cell of the simple cubic system has atoms at the 8 corners, hence number of atoms in a unit cell is 1. Simple cubic cell has 1 unit cell. In crystal lattice formed by the primitive or simple unit cell, the space occupied by the particle is 52.4% and remaining unoccupied space is 47.64, which is out of 100. The coordination number of the sphere in hexagonal close packing lattice in the 3 dimension is 12. A compound is made up of the 2 elements X and Y and crystallizes in BCC structure. Atoms of X are present at the corner of the tube, atoms of Y present at the center of the cube, and the formula of the compound is here at each corner X occupy. So total 8 corner, and at 8 corner 1 by 8 part of X atom is occupy. So 1 by 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1. So X will 1, and here in the center Y 1 atom is present, so Y is only 1. So answer is XY. Sodium crystallize in BCC structure if the edge length of the unit cell is 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. The radius of the sodium is relation of radius with edge length is given. So put in the formula the values, then answer will 1.86.10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Next, very short answer question. Write the effect on the density of the substance in Frankel defect. Density remains unchanged क्योंकि no ion is missing. Frankel defect, vacancy of the cation. Name the Bravais lattices in the triclinic system. Triclinic system, Bravais lattice is simple or primitive. Bravais lattice की एक Bravais lattice के शॉर्टकट्स है, इसी चैनल पर शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स है, आप लोग इजीली जो है याद कर सकते हैं. एक मरतबा वो वीडियो भी देख लीजिएगा. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर डायमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस जो रिपेल करता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को और उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पेयर्ड होते हैं. Give one property common to both HCP hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing crystal lattices. तो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर दोनों में सेम रहता है, 12 रहता है 3 डायमेंशन में. नेक्स्ट, राइट द रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियस ऑफ एटम एंड एज लेंथ ऑफ फेस सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. तो रिलेशन यहाँ पर दी हुई है, एनी वन यू कैन राइट. ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ बीसीसी यूनिट सेल. 3 डायग्राम दिया है, तीनों में से कोई एक भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो क्योंकि स्पेसिफिक यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं किया गया है. The number of tetrahedral voids are formed if the number of atom in crystal is n by 2. 7. The number of tetrahedral voids are formed if the number of atom in crystal is n by 2. तो कितने टेट्राहेड्रल वाइड्स एम्प्टी स्पेस फॉर्म होंगे? तो नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वाइड्स आर फॉर्म्ड इज n, बिकॉज n अगर पार्टिकल नंबर है तो वन पार्टिकल में 2 टेट्राहेड्रल रहते हैं 2n और 1 ऑक्टाहेड्रल रहते हैं n. सो क्रिस्टल n बाय 2 एटम है, n बाय 2 एटम है, तो टेट्राहेड्रल वाइड्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, आंसर इज 2. Give the percentage of empty space in BCC lattice body centered crystal. 100% minus 68% occupied space, then 32% is empty space. If the total volume of a simple cubic unit cell is 6.817 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube, what is the volume occupied by the particle in unit cell? Simple cubic unit cell contain one particle, hence total volume occupied particle is 1 into 6.817 into 10 raised to minus 23, hence answer will be 6.817 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube. The number of octahedral voids are formed in 0.5 mole of compound forming HCP structure. तो number of atom in 0.5 mole multiplied by Avogadro number, then total number of atom in 0.65 will be 3.011 into 10 raised to 23, and octahedral void is 1, hence octahedral voids will be equal to number of atom, answer will be 3.011 into 10 raised to 23. Next, short answer questions for 2 marks. Distinguish between crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Crystalline solid, there is regularity and periodicity in the arrangement of the constituent particle. While in this, constituent particles are randomly arranged. It has sharp melting point and it does not have sharp melting point. They melt with definite temperature and they melt gradually over the temperature interval. These solids are anisotropic and they are isotropic. Example: ice, sodium chloride, sodium, gold, copper materials, and diamonds, graphites. Other and amorphous solids are glass, plastic, rubber, tar, etc. Classify the following solids as molecular, ionic, covalent, and metallic solid. Molecular solid sulfur dioxide, it is a molecular solid. Ionic crystal magnesium difluoride or magnesium fluoride. Covalent solids quartz. Metallic solid Pb lead. Find the number of atoms in face centered crystal unit cell. Face centered cubic unit cell. 8 there are 8 corner plus particle at the center of its 6 axis. One particle from 8 corner, 8 into 1 by 8 part is equal to 1, and 1 by 2 each face particle. हर फेस पर हाफ पार्टिकल रहेंगे यूनिट सेल में, देयरफॉर 6 फेसेस है. हाफ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 विल बी इक्वल टू 3. फेस सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल has 1 corner particle, 3 faces, hence total will be 4 particles. Explain with the diagram the vacancy defect. This is the diagram. When particles are missing from regular site and occupy the interstitial position. When particle is missing from its regular site in the crystal lattice and creates the vacancy in the lattice structure. Particle is missing, creating the vacancy. This defect is called the vacancy defect. Defect is developed. Also, vacancy defect can be developed when heated. Crystal is heated. And due to vacancy defect, mass and density of the substance decreases. Calculate number of unit cell in 0.3 gram of the species having density of 8.5 gram per centimeter cube and unit cell age length 3.25 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. As there is no type of unit cell is specified. So this question is not correct. A compound crystallizes in BCC structure. What is the unit cell age length if the diameter of its atom is 120 picometer? Diameter 120 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter multiplied by centimeter, 100 centimeter, then in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter, so multiplied by 10 raised to 2. So 120 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Radius, it is half. 120 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 2 will be 60 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. So radius is 60 into 10 raised to minus 10. And determine the A, unit cell age length. For BCC unit cell, relation is given R is equal to 0.4330 A. A is age length, so A will be 60. A is equal to 60 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 0.4330. So answer will be 138.46 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, and then 12 meter become the picometer. Short answer questions type second for 3 marks. Calculate the packing efficiency for BCC lattice. Figure is given. Step 1, determine for radius of the sphere. For triangle FED, angle FED is equal to 90 degree, angle FED 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, FD square is equal to FE square plus ED square. So A square plus A square will be equal to 2A square. Here we are considering all the edge length is A. For triangle AFD, angle ADF is equal to 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, AF square, it will be 3A square, and then AF also equal to 4R. Second step, volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere particle is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of one particle is 4 by 3 pi r. R is the radius, so under root 3 upon 4a raised to 3, then it will become root 3 pi a cube divided by 16. And third step, total volume of the particle. Determine the total volume of the particle. Here 2 is number of the particle present in the BCC unit cell, and it is the occupied volume. And next, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency, volume occupied by the particle in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. So put the values, then 68% is the total volume occupied, and 32% is empty space or void space. In case of hexagonal closed packing structure, how are the spheres in first, second and third layers are arranged? One dimensional structure means first layer is formed by arranging the spheres to touch each other in a row. This is two-dimensional or planar structure formed by placing the second layer of the sphere into the depression of the first layer. सेकंड लेयर को फर्स्ट लेयर के डिप्रेशन में रखेंगे. द फर्स्ट रो इज ए एंड सेकंड रो it is different, called B. Two-dimensional arrangement, this pattern is called ABAB type, also called the hexagonal close packing. Here like this, A, B, A, again B. Placing of the two-dimensional layers one over the above gives rise the three-dimensional crystal structure. Hexagonal close packed layers are arranged when the spheres of the second layer, B layer, are placed in depression of the first layer. This is A type. So A type and B type. So it is evident from this figure there are two types of voids, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Now placing third layer, third hexagonal close packed layer means third layer of the spheres are placed which align the spheres with the sphere of first layer. The resulting pattern of the crystal of the layer will be ABAB. This arrangement results hexagonal close packed structure. This is A, B and this is again becomes A. When placed next, substance crystallizes in FCC structure. The unit cell age length is 367.8 pm. Calculate the molar mass of the substance if the density is 21.5 gram per centimeter cube. A is given and density 21.5, and here Na Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to. So Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, and determine the molar mass. So volume A cube is equal to 367.8 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter raised to 3. So the formula of the density is given. Density का formula rho is equal to capital M molar mass small n number of atom divided by A cube वॉल्यूम एंड एन ए एवोगैड्रो नंबर. तो डेंसिटी का जो फॉर्मूला है मन्ना A3, यहाँ से इस तरह से याद रखना है मन्ना A3. तो मोलर मास M इज इक्वल टू रीअरेंज्ड दिस फॉर्मूला. सो सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं वैल्यूज और आफ्टर सॉल्विंग मोलर मास विल बी 161.05 ग्राम पर मोल. The unit cell of the sodium is BCC and its density is 0.97 gram per centimeter cube. What is the radius of the sodium atom if the molar mass of sodium is 23 gram per mole? Given density is given, molar mass given, and calculate the radius. Same we will use the density formula मन्ना A3. इस तरह से मन्ना A3 डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मन्ना A3. A क्यूब मीन्स वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू रीअरेंज दिस फॉर्मूला. वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग A विल बी इक्वल टू 8.8741 इंटू 10 raised to minus 8 सेंटीमीटर. And relation between radius and A is length 0.4330. By putting the values, then answer of radius is 3.8425 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Next, how are the non-stoichiometric point defect classified? Explain with the diagram the metal deficiency defect. When the ratio of number of atom of one kind to that of the other kind or ratio of number of cation or anion becomes different from indicated by its chemical formula. मीन्स क्रिस्टल में अगर कैटायन और एनायन का रेशियो जो है ये नॉन स्टाइकियोमेट्रिक है, अनइक्वल है, तो उस डिफेक्ट को कहेंगे हम नॉन स्टाइकियोमेट्रिक पॉइंट डिफेक्ट. Metal deficiency diagram is given. This deficiency arises in the compound if the metal shows variable oxidation state, means changeable oxidation state. The positive metal ions are missing from their original lattice. यहाँ पर निकल रहेगा Ni2+, तो पॉजिटिव कैटायन और पॉजिटिव मेटल आयंस आर मिस्ड. And extra negative charge is balanced by presence of cation of the same metal with higher oxidation state Ni3+, they balance the negative charge. Here negative charge is O2-. Example, compound NiO nickel oxide. One Ni2+ ion is missed and create the vacancy. Deficiency of the two positive charges made up by the presence of the two Ni2+ ions at the other side, lattice side of the Ni+ ion. So defected crystal of metal deficiency defect, its formula is Ni subscript 0.97 and O subscript 1. Explain with one example each diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substances. Diamagnetic substances, all electrons are paired and this substance weakly repel or repel the magnetic field. Example, N2F2, NaCl, H2O and benzene. Paramagnetic substance, in these unpaired electrons are present, at least one unpaired electron is present and weakly attracted the magnetic field or attract the magnetic field. This substance attract the magnetic field. Example oxygen Cu2 plus Fe3 plus Cr3 plus। जब यहाँ पर हम ऑर्बिटल डायग्राम बनाते हैं कॉपर का, कॉपर 29 है, 9 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट, S2 में से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर d ऑर्बिटल में 9 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहेंगे जिसमें से 4 अनपेयर्ड रहते हैं। तो यहाँ पर जो है कॉपर में अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलेगा, Fe3 प्लस में भी डी ऑर्बिटल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पाए जाएंगे, अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट रहेगा, और क्रोमियम में भी अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट रहेगा। फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म सब्सटेंस जिसमें लार्ज नंबर ऑफ अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं और वो स्ट्रांगली अट्रैक्ट करते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को, वो सब्सटेंस स्ट्रांगली अट्रैक्ट करते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को, और वो सब्सटेंस परमानेंटली मैग्नेटाइज्ड होते हैं। एग्जाम्पल Fe, कोबाल्ट, निकल, गैडोलिनियम, CrO2।